You want to reassure yourself that the baby is doing okay. So the Doppler is used to check the heart rate and the heartbeat of the baby, if it's normal and if it's present. Dan is the market leader for Dopplers in the world, actually. So it's a branded product. If you open it, you will get a bag, and then this is the machine. Inside, there's already a transducer gel. There are batteries, instructions manual, also the screw to insert the battery. So to turn it on, you just press. Yan. Then you can control the volume already. So this is where you will detect the heart rate.
So that's what you put on the skin?
Yes, oo.
Okay.
Ikot na sa akin. And you can, it will automatically compute the heart rate already. I used it without the gel. So it's very sensitive. So pag dinikit mo, madedetect agad niya. Pero for siguro mga 22 weeks, mga ganyan, very light pa yung heart rate niya. Maybe you'll need a gel because it amplifies the sound.